Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat is showing delivered glitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now if your Snapchat is showing the message delivered glitch, the first thing you should try is to check your internet connection. And now if your internet connection is all good, the second thing you should do is to wait for some time. If there is any technical glitch into the Snapchat, it will be solved after some time. And if it still doesn't get solved and you don't have time to wait, the first thing you should do is to open the recents into your phone and clear the Snapchat application from the recents and reopen the Snapchat again. This might help to solve minor glitch into your application of Snapchat. And if still doesn't solve your message delivered glitch, you should consider uninstalling your Snapchat application and reinstalling it, and after doing that your issue might get solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.